we're doing random car racing. So I'm just gonna take a website that I have on my other computer, and we're just gonna. Oh wow! Alright, so Spool Turbo, you get a 1999 Dodge Viper. Do you own that? Yeah. Yeah. And if you can't, it's probably on the auction house for not much. For Duck, you get an Aston Martin Super GT or the AMDB 11. Aston Martin AMDB 11.
I got it.
Yep. All right. Next one is King. You get a BMW 1M from, doesn't specify the year. Great. Fuse, you get a BMW M5 from 2009. Next is Flare Matrix. You get a BMW M6 from 2013. What is up with all the BMWs? It's a very interesting. This is another stupid one. I'm just. Oh wait, that was in the auto show. Whatever. It's too late. You get 1964 Ford GT. Do you have that? The GT40.
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
All right. You can upgrade your car to the top of A class. You can. So, for my car, I get an Audi TTS. Great. Audi TTS. All right. What? You did not buy that stock. Do I? Is that the auto show? Or do I have to find it? It's in the auto show. Okay. All right. So okay, I can do this. Look, alright, it's a random car generator. Was it supposed to be perfect?
It's not. It's gonna rain.
Well, unfortunately, top of A class. Sorry, dude.
I know, but I can still.
Okay. Alright, so. That's sad for you. That's so sad. Okay, so my car's probably gonna be alright. Alright. Is there such thing as like, okay, so do you guys know any good event lab tracks? Because like had something else planned for today, but then it never happened, so I just started doing this. No! We're doing some racing. We're racing. So did you read the post? Bro, this is a racing thing. I gave you random cars for a reason. So it's gonna be great. Your car is gonna be great, bro. I cannot wait to see that thing. What's up, guys? Thing is, alright, so we got Spool Turbo here. Bro, these cars are awesome. Definitely. This is, we're not, I guess you guys, yeah, okay. Is everyone out here, or we still got a few more people? Alright, once everyone's out and ready, I'll get the event started. Huh. What? No, this is racing. We're doing like... Yeah, we're racing. Oh my god, these cards. This is awesome, bro. Okay, so we got 4 people. Hey, waiter, if you're out with your car, can you please park over here? Alright, let me see how you... King, your car's a little overclass. Your car's a little bit overclass. It's 822. You need a... You need to downgrade your cars. Yeah, it needs to be A class. We had everything's random. All right, I spun a wheel to get the class, and then I just picked random cars off of this thing here. No, the website picked random cars, and that's how we all ended up with these. This is. Let me check to make sure. All right, yeah, everyone's in A class. All right, we're gonna. So I really don't know what track to do, so I'm just gonna pick a random one off of the ones that work. All right. By the way, a few of these turns are gonna be a little crazy, and also. All right, let's see. Did anyone cheat? Good job, guys. Alright. Alright. This is gonna be an amazing race, guys, definitely. That sounds worse than you're talking, dude. Yeah, I should have done that, but like, it's a little late. We're already in the first race almost. Bro, I'm 14. I wouldn't even be able to be in my own post. Ah. Yeah. Look, the only reason why I have the Forza arrows, because like I don't trust this car whatsoever. Alright guys, here we go. This car is so fast. Fastest car. Murdered everyone. I forgot about that part. If you want, we could just go to 5 laps and whatever the leaderboard is, and that's that. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to... We're gonna go to... We're gonna go to 5 laps and then whatever the leaderboard is at that, that's the 2 wins. My bad. You broke much earlier than I thought. You broke a lot earlier. Dark is just dusting his road. My car is so absolutely garbage on the streets, it doesn't even matter how much of a gap I fill up. It is going away. Curves are murderous, I forgot about that. What's your fastest lap right now? 153. Oh, your game crashed? Damn. Alright, I think... Oh. So, is everyone here, or...